Hello guys, this is Bongi. uh, Here I have an Acer laptop. Okay, so someone was working on this laptop before. I don't know what exactly they were doing, but the startup chip, it's not aligned proper, so the laptop is not turning on, it's not coming on at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to align the startup chip. Okay, I want to give you some tips when you are aligning the startup chip. Okay, first thing that you need to do, you need to have something to hold the heat gun. I'm using this stand. Okay, I want to align the startup chip. Okay, some pins they are missing the trackpad, so I'm trying to push it a little bit on the left hand side of my direction. Okay, let's put more flats in. We'll clean the board later. So guys, remember this pin, it has 128 pins, and then this chip, it has 128 pins. So you have to be very carefully. Okay.